Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips.
Hello and welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the FORMULATEXT function, and we're going to use that to check that all of your cells that you want to check are using the same formula. So you might wonder why you needed to do this. Well, one of my subscribers asked me this question, and what they needed to do is they needed an easy way to check that formulas on multiple pages were using the same or the correct formula, and in particular they were interested in the sales tax formula. So each of the worksheets in their Excel workbook had a formula that calculated the sales tax. All areas tab of the worksheet provided a summary of all the data for areas A, B and C. So each of the sales area had the same template. They just needed to double check that the sales tax formula was the same on all worksheets. So the way to do this was using the FORMULATEXT function. So what does FORMULATEXT do? Well, it returns in text form the function that is located in a cell. So if I just give you an example, FORMULATEXT, and if I select C3, I then get the text of the formula that is in that cell. So let's set up the formula check. So let's look at area A, area B and area C. So what we're going to do is we're going to say is the formula text of area A equal to the formula text in the all areas. So let's go ahead. So let's look at formula text C3 in all areas being equal to formula text C3 in area A. And it's true. So we just repeat it for all of the areas and we can see that they are all correct and referencing the same formula. So that's it. That's how to check if your cells have the same formula. I hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time for another video. Thanks for watching.